Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is X-Ray88XX. In today's video, I found something at a thrift store again, and I got very lucky. And let's open it up. So here we have is a KAO MD2 HD mini floppy disk. I know you guys can barely see it, but let me turn the light on so you guys can see. And let's open it. So this thing costs $1.99. And for those of you guys who have missed my other announcement, I said I would be taking you guys' donation request if you guys have an old Apple computer or an old keyboard. If you guys don't want anymore, you guys can donate it to me. Here we go. Let's open it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I never seen these. I finally got one of these. Because my teacher asked me, have you ever met one of these floppy disks in person? But no, I had not. Because these are from the Apple II. I'm very lucky that I got one of these. So let's see how many we have. And we also got a name tag for them. We can name them. I'm gonna hang on to this. And I got a lot. Oh my. So let's see how many we have. So the floppy disk only had 6 layers of memory. But I wish I had a Apple II floppy disk drive for my iMac Bondi Blue. Not the Bondi Blue, but just Bondi Blue and Indigo. So I have a lot of floppy disks. I want to count them, but I'll do that later. Damn, I got a lot of them. Alright, let's move this to aside. And I got a FireWire cable. I do have another one which is an Apple charger and it had a FireWire adapter. So now I have 2 of them. And some of you guys might be asking me, are FireWires good to start up as a collection for Apple devices and all that? Well, yes, they are good. They are good, but they are hard to find at a thrift store. But I would recommend getting them off of eBay. And if you guys want to look for a FireWire 2TB external hard drive, those are hard to find at a thrift store, but you can get them off of eBay, but they're a little bit expensive. They cost like $122. Well, they are expensive, but if you look for one that is cheaper. There we go. Alright, there is the FireWire cable, and we're going to turn on our iMac, right there, and I'm going to show you guys a trick. Here's the trick that you've been doing wrong all the time. Here's this, see it? I go like this, I twist it, it's like a lock, so you twist it, and it will come off. See it? They're coming off. And there we go. You don't have to cut the wires anymore. Okay. So let's turn on our iMac G3. Let me flip the camera just like that. I'm sorry that my hand just got into the camera. So let's plug in our FireWire cable. Here we go, it fit. We got the cable in. Let's flip the camera upside one more time. I can also plug both of them in, but I won't know what will happen to it. And that is pretty much it. Anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy, and stay tuned.